Imagine if one day the member of class 12A6 will participate in the Vietnam MasterChef competition. What will it be like? The new MasterChef Vietnam is Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cook Kang Show MasterChef Vietnam 2025 by a 6K52 Phu Xuyen B. And now come join us for some food and meet the chefs who created our delicious dishes today.
I'm in charge of simmering the beef bones. You have to keep the heat steady so the broth stay clear but flavorful. When you open the lid and that aroma of ginger and cinnamon fills the air, that's when you know your pho is ready. I'm handling the beef slicing and noodle blanching. I chose flank beef with some tender yet chewy. Once you pour in the broth, the fragrance of scallion just bursts out. It smells incredible. Hanoi beef pho is a culinary symbol of northern Vietnam and perhaps the most famous Vietnamese dish in the world. It originated in the early 20th century and has become a national treasure representing the northern spirit, elegant, balanced, subtle in flavor, yet deeply satisfying. A perfect bowl of pho has clear, aromatic broth made from slow simmer beef bones, hints of star anise and cinnamon, thin slices of tender beef, and silky rice noodles. Just one spoonful of the broth feels like tasting the warmth of old Hanoi street. I'm taking care of the pork hook. It has to be tender but still a bit chewy. Once the pot starts boiling, the whole kitchen smells amazing.
I'm adjusting the broth with lemongrass and Hue shrimp paste, not too spicy though, or the northern judge won't survive.
Bún bò Huế is the pride of central Vietnam. Born in the former imperial capital of Hue, once the heart of royal cuisine. This dish stands out with its bold spicy flavor and distinctive lemongrass aroma. The broth is made from simmered beef bones and pork hocks, blended with shrimp paste to give that signature reddish color and deep flavor. People say only those from Hue truly understand its soul, a dish that's both humble and regal, just like the people of this land.
I'm handling the shrimp and pork. You have to boil them just right so the shrimp turn bright pink.
I'm the roller and trust me, it's all about technique. Roll too tight and the rice paper tears too loose and it falls apart. You want it neat and see-through with its layer visible inside. Vietnamese spring roll represent the spirit of southern cuisine, fresh, light, yet full of flavor. The dish comes from the riverside lifestyle of the south, where people use what's around them homegrown herbs, river shrimp pork to make something quick yet elegant. Each roll wraps shrimp, pork, rice noodle, and crisp greens in delicate rice paper, served with a peanut sauce or sweet chili fish sauce. This dish has been named among the world's best foods many times for its beauty, balance, and healthiness, capturing the free-spirited charm of southern Vietnam.
First of all, I feel truly proud to witness all three teams bringing the culinary essence of northern, central, and southern Vietnam to the table today. Hanoi Beef, her northern team, elegant and authentic, clear broth, balanced flavors. True Hanoi spirit, simple yet full of depth. Hue beef noodle, sub central team, rich and bold, perfect spice and aroma, strong lemongrass, not powerful but still refined. Vietnamese spring rolls, southern team, fresh, colorful, well balanced, light, joyful and full of southern charm.